Hi, welcome to the live stream again. Today we're trying to use GraphCMS with the Next.js application. Yeah, let's share the screen and yeah. All right. I think we discussed about this earlier. So this is a simple blog application. So we can see the app. So we have comments. So we can log in with GitHub. I already done that, so I don't need to log in again. So basically we can add some comments like this, and I can see here, and I come back, and of course currently the data source is a GitHub repository. For example, like this is the hello world blog post, I guess. Yes, this one. So I can edit this one, right? And then if you come back to the application, so it will automatically reload, so we can see the change. So the reason I use GitHub as a data source, because I'm using this for my Next.js course. So GitHub is something everyone knows, so then they can use it. But end of the day, we need to use a real database, a real data source. So that's why I'm trying new technologies. For example, we can have GraphCMS for CMS. Maybe we can have Prisma for some ORM layer. Maybe we can have something like Fauna for another data layer, something like that. So today I'm trying GraphCMS. I haven't used CMS in a while. I mentioned that in Twitter as well. So it could be something interesting. All right, let's give it a try. Okay, let's go to GraphCMS. Right, login or sign up. I think both are the same, I guess. Usually, all right. We click sign up. Okay, let's try login. Why not? All right. Okay. All right. All right. So let's start with let's create new one. All right. The block. It's a block. Okay, and now create the project. So I didn't. Do I need to select? Oh no, I don't think so. Right. I think we have trial mode, I guess. Right. Yeah. Okay. Maybe let's skip that, or create a model. Right. I'm creating a model. Okay. I think what's the model? Maybe it's a. Okay. Let's say it's a block. Right. Right. Okay. So, all right. Assessed. Log. Nice. Then what? Markdown. This hello world. So all right, API IDs. Okay, I think this is slug. Use the title as field. I don't know. Right, let's keep these things as is. Create. All right. Right. Now what? Bring markdown. Edit field. Okay. Do I need to add some? All right. This is it. Create new. New blog. Hello world. And this is my first blog post. All right, save and publish. Yeah, that's fine. All right, then right. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Then what's up? schemas. Okay, model blog. Right. System builds. No, I don't want those things. Anything. Can I get a multiple stop? Yeah, sure, definitely. I'll try some other. Yeah, definitely. Right, I'm kind of stuck here, like content. Maybe here. This is all right. Maybe I should start with something. Some start a project. I think that would be the best thing. Blog 2. Right, and okay. Right. Yeah, I should start with the starter project so then I can see what's going on there. Otherwise, yeah. Hang on, we're preparing your project. Interesting. Din, 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 din. Yeah, I think that's why there are starter projects, I guess. So maybe if someone is using a CMS, I think the UL should be familiar, but I haven't used it for a while. That's why. I think this time I should watch a tutorial as well. Okay, it's 16 minutes. Yeah, let's skip that for right now. Maybe open that in a new tab so then I can watch it later on. Right. Create a model, create a field. Fine. Go to there. All right. Okay. I think I did the same thing. Oh, right. So this is the fields actually. Okay, interesting. Yeah. All right. So right. Go to content editing. So title slug. All right. Now. Okay. Now it's good. The content. Let's use it. Rich content. All right. Why not? Maybe use Markdown. I like it. How can I edit it? Maybe I can add something. All right. How can I Markdown? All right. Content. Okay. I mean, let's delete this one. Or maybe I can edit it. No, I think I cannot change the type. And content, delete field. All right. And then put Markdown. So display name, content. Yes, that's fine. Okay. All right. Now I think we are good. So then I can go to the content. Okay, I can see content here. All right. So now I have set up blog post. All right. This is what I want. Okay. Edit. Okay. All right. Then let's add a new one. So where should I add? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I was looking at the wrong author. All right. It should be the post. All right. Oh, okay. This is what we want. Interesting. I think we already have some blog posts, so I think we can start with that. How can I see it? Yeah, edit this one. Right. Let's keep only a couple of them. All right. Thanks for the comment. Yeah. Got it. Thanks. Yeah, it's a new thing. I haven't used a CMS, headless CMS for a while. Yeah. Thanks. All right. Okay. Let's. Right. I think we have two blog posts. We don't have content here. Content one. All right. Save and publish. I think let's do it. All right. And then I can go back. Okay. Then another one. Edit one. Another content. Right. Okay. Right now I think we have some data. It's pretty good. So let's API playground. Okay, I think this is GraphQL. All right, this. Then I can see the title. How can I run this? Okay, nice. So what's that? Post field. Oh, okay, post list. Can I have post? Yes, this is what I want. Title. All right. Yeah, I think we are good now. Slug. I think it's automatically generated. Slug. Yes, it is. Nice. And then we need content. This should be a markdown. Yeah, we have it. Okay. Yeah, of course. That's a mistake we do. Post. I think it should be post list. I don't know. That's what I would think. All right. Anyway, right now I need to use in my application. How can I do that? So I think there should be some API key or something somewhere. No. API access. Here it is. All right. This is all I need. Access the URL point of any of your stages. Master. Okay. Right. Mutations can only be enabled if draft queries are allowed. Okay. This is something I need to check. But that's later on. All right. So let's fetch these things. All right. I think this is the URL we can post on. Right. Let's go back to the application. Right now, interesting. Now this is the application I'm using. So here we have GitHub. In here we use like get post list. So let's go to the home page. So we have pretty simple get static props. Let's create a new lib. So we can have some. Let's go GraphCMS.js. I'm trying to use fetch right now. So maybe if I got stuck, maybe we can use official GraphQL client or something. I saw there's a tutorial with GraphQL, some clients, but right now I'm trying to use fetch. Why not? I like to use plain stuff. Right. So export function async, export async function get post list. Nice. And then let's for now right now let's use this. Let's use this URL here. Maybe in a production app, I think we need to use an environment variable or something. I think this is the key. I think so. If anyone knows, just ping me. Like I assume this is the key. This is the only place we need to like keep somewhere. Okay. Now let's do a fetch. Sync. Let's say regress. Yeah. Wait. Fetch. Should be the, let's say, should be the URL. Yeah, URL, and then let's could be body. Should be like this. Should be a post slug. I think this is it. And I need to add some headers. Maybe method should be post. I think this is enough. I assume. Let's give it a try. Then let's get the data. Rest.data. Oh, sorry, not that. Wait, rest.json. All right, console.log. I think this is the debug method I use all the time. Just console log. Anyway, I'm not comfortable using something other than that. Right, then let's import GraphCMS. Import. Yeah, get post list from lib GraphCMS, and let's hide this one. Right, and then let's return empty array just to make sure everything works. Okay, how's about like post makes sense to getting? I think yeah, that's a good question. In a REST world, like I think we have to use get forget something, but in Graph GraphQL, I think everything is communicated via post. I think, yeah, I think that's how it is. But I don't know, like things might have changed right now. But last time I checked, it should be post. Anyway, let's give it a try. Whether if this works or not, we can try. Right. So let's. Okay, got it. All right, okay, we got a okay, about GraphCMS, you can also use a permanent auth token or set. Oh, right. Okay, interesting. Okay, that's how we add the preview support, I guess. So with the yeah. Okay, yeah, I'll try it later on. I mean, if you have time. Right, then I think looks good. Let's run the application and see whether it's working or not. Yarn dev. Okay, let's reload it. I think we have too many files open. Let's close some of them. It's clean. Right, I think let's pin this if I need to check it, but I don't think so. Right, go to the home page and let's open the inspector. All right. Okay, what's happening here? It doesn't print anything. Maybe I didn't import it. Okay, this is the page and post list. I think I don't need these things because this is something I used in the previous application. Let's get rid of this NSL. Okay, it's post list. Okay, async function. I think it's good. I think it's all right. I think it's printed on the yeah. All right. Something went wrong while processing the request. We have been informed. Interesting. All right. Okay. So basically, we are logging on the in the server side. So that's why we see something. But I think maybe I'm having the query might be wrong. So let's go to the API Explorer, API Playground. Let's grab this one. Let's come back here and let's use that one. Okay. Title. Yeah. Maybe that's the case. We don't know. Oh, so did you enable access for the API? Oh, I didn't check. Let's give it a try. Let's try one more time and whether it's working or not. If not, let's go and check the dashboard. All right. Yeah. Okay, this is something else. All right. Yeah, I think it's same. Well, let's go with the dashboard. And so how can I add the API access? I think it's on the settings. API access. All right. How can I do that? Public API permission. This is what I okay. Content from the stage public. I think this is what I had to do, I guess. Oh, okay. I think it's automatically saved. Okay, is there the API access? All right. I think draft fine. Okay. All right. This is okay. Save. I thought save is for the mutations. Anyway, it's good. All right. Okay. I think now I can run again. Okay, let's get rid of this preview data error. Like it's not something we need. Somewhere here. I think I might need to change it from here as well. Otherwise, it will. No, it doesn't matter. Like it's fine in this case. Right now, let's go back to the application and let's reload the page again. Okay. All right. So I think all right, about that. Maybe I'm talking to a different way of so let's go to the API Explorer. Let's open the inspector and see how the actual network request is going. So we can try to mimic that one. Okay, this is it. interesting. Got the data, and let's check the REST request header. So I think I can a little bit zoom it. Yep. All right, it should be queries this. I think it's totally fine. Oh, I have to use query. Okay, maybe that's why things got stuck. Let's do it. I had to go here. I need to put query as well. All right. Okay, maybe this is. Let's give it a try again. Okay, reload the page. Come back to the. Okay, it's the same thing, same error, and I think maybe I missed some. Yeah, maybe I can copy this thing. Yes, I can copy. Right. Request payload. Oh, okay, I know what's. All right. So basically, it should be not a string. Just you need to pass a query as a data. Interesting. Because I was sending plain text. It doesn't work. I think we need to put some JSON here. Yeah, my bad. It's a good feedback. So you should just try to start with some library rather than doing from scratch. Anyway, this is good learning. Yeah, of course. Yes. Yeah. Thanks, Nimshot. All right. Okay. Let's JSON parse. No, stringify. And I'm gonna query. Now I need to put the GraphQL. Yeah. Now it is. Now I had to put that. Okay. Now it's interesting. I don't know. I think this is not good. Maybe I need to copy the actual one I created here, just to make sure it works. Yeah, I need to put these brackets. Okay. Right. Okay. Now it's good. Okay, it's not good. Okay. Now it's good. All right. The code is fine. I think now I need to add headers. Why not? Let's give it a try. Like content type, application JSON. All right, this is good. I think this should work right now. I think let's give it a try. Okay, now we have the data. Amazing. Okay, yeah, Steve, you should like Steve. You don't like GraphQL. Yeah, I think there's like, yeah, I used earlier at the place I work. Like GraphQL is not that used. I know. Like people don't really like that. Yeah. Anyway, like I think it's really nice because I don't know. I don't see any difference between. I mean, it's two different things. REST and GraphQL. But anyway, like it's more it's more easy to use GraphQL, not the way like there are some things you have to do. How I think about GraphQL is we now with GraphQL we have a clear definition, a clear separation from the server side and the client side, and there's GraphQL is this a contract between the client and server, so it's really easy to work with if you use it correctly. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Definitely, we have to use it. Right. Okay. Now we have the data. Let's use it. Right. I think I'm not going to do error handling right now. So maybe later on, if we have time. So now we have the data and post. Okay. Let's grab that. Data. Let's get it right like this. I think if there's an error, we have error in here with GraphQL. All right. I think I want to know. I think you guys I want to ask about if someone is familiar with GraphCMS. I think now here we use something like Express GraphQL, something like that. Maybe the format, the payload format should be looks like that. I assume. All right. Return data. Let's post. If you're new to like GraphQL, and if you think about what this post coming from, that's the name we define here. I think we can rename if we want, but I'm quite not sure how to do that. Maybe I can add some. Let's give it a try. It's interesting to learn about. Maybe not. Maybe some other day. Okay. Right now we have the post. Let's see whether we can display them. All right. All right. That's something I can see. It's something from my code, I guess. Definitely from myself. Right now we have the post list, and let's give it a try. Run post list from here again as well. Okay, got it. Should be alias. Okay, I should go ahead with doing that. All right, let's see. I think I'm returning it for sure. Okay, then I see. Yeah, it's there. Somehow it's coming from MS. The way I use. Okay, we can commit that code right now. I use somewhere here. Yes. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I really like this commenting feature in VS Code. Like, so it's really hard to do in some other places. Yeah, I really like it. I mean, commenting with React. Yeah, it's really, I don't know, it's weird. Right now we have it. Let's render the blog post again. Oh, nice. Now we have the titles coming to the blog post. Amazing. Pretty nice. So I need to get the data as well. So let's see. Let's inspect one of the blog post. Title and content. That's what we specified. So let's go to the API playground. Let's see how we can get some more data. Though should be created at. I think this should be a timestamp. Oh no, it's not timestamp. Oh, that's fine. We can work around with this. As times created at. That's maybe just create a MS or something. No, we don't have. All right. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, I'm looking at some comments. Okay, I can work with that. All right, I have the created ad. So let's use that one. Go to GraphCMS, got created ad. Okay, and I need to iterate through. I think how can I do that? Maybe here. So let's create a function to get date. Yeah, I can do that. Let's create something like maybe let's create a function here. Let's uncomment this one. So basically I'm using MS here to get the post created ad and blah blah blah. So what I can do is yeah, let's create some get created ad, or maybe I can get the whole logic here. I think that's better. Oh, anyway, what I do? What can I do? Okay, that's interesting. I'm thinking, what should I do? Time. We're passing. Yeah, I think we should. All right. Get time. I'm thinking. Anyway, let's for the simpleness, let's get created at. And I'm getting a post. I think I should use TypeScript in some other way, but anyway, I'm not worried about that. Right now we have the post as a date object. Constant d new date post dot created at. Then I'm gonna send the timestamp d dot get time. Right, get created at. I'm gonna use that one instead. This one. Okay, now it should work. I think. Okay. All right. Interesting. Okay. All right. Now we got. Okay. I think now we have the what we call like titles. I think if I click this one, it should fail for sure. I think I cannot even click it. Oh, no, I can click it for sure. Okay. Right. Right. I think this slowness is coming from my app with the dev mode. Right. I think this is not working, so we need to fix it. Let's go ahead. So now it's in the my what we call like in my post and this file system routing. And let's go to the static props. Okay, now I need to put some changes here. Let's go to GraphCMS and let's abstract this function so I can make some queries. Let's query GraphCMS. Yeah, that would be better. Const export. I don't need to export it anyway, but let's create that one. Async function query GraphCMS. Anyway, this is just all right. I need to add the query. That's all I need. Okay, so let's copy this logic and put it here, and let's grab the query and let's remove this part. So now I have the query. Pretty good. Yes, and I can get the data as well. Let's copy this part and I can return this. Then now from the usage, I can grab the result I want. Right now we have the new one. Let's use for the existing function. Const what we call like data. It's wait query GraphCMS. That's right. Now we can put the query here. Okay, copy that one. Okay, I'm gonna remove this because I don't need it. Yeah, now we're good. I think I don't think let's see whether like VS Code format actually format the content. No, it doesn't. Content in the string, yeah, it shouldn't format anything inside the string, so this makes sense. Okay, now I got the post list using the new query, and let's check whether it's working or not. All right, go for here. All right, okay, yeah, some problem here. Let's check. Okay, I have, yeah, stupid. Okay, right. Okay, yeah, now it's working. Now we'll grab the post from here as well. Right, export async function get post. So I think I need to pass the slug here. That's how it works. Yeah, before that, let's give it a try from the API Explorer, whether I can. Okay, I got a slug, and then go to the API Explorer. I think it should be post. So I think it should be slug, I guess, something like this. Is it? But not sure. Maybe that's what I need. Stage B. Maybe is it ID? I don't know. I need to check that. How to query GraphCMS. I think this is not the way how to do it for sure. Stage. What's the stage? Open the docs. Query. Go to the post. Do we have a search box here? Okay. Oh, okay. You said I have to. Okay. Right. I have to use where. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Post where input is unique. Oh, right. That is okay. Okay. Where and okay, it's an object. Okay. Where is it like this? I haven't used. Okay. All right. Oh, seems like it's right. Oh, interesting. I haven't used some object as argument in a query like. So this is pretty interesting. Thanks, Rasak, for mentioning me that. It's interesting. All right, now we have I think we need slug title, created ad, and the content. This is all we need. All right. Okay, let's grab this query. Let's go to our page, const data. Maybe I can copy the whole thing. So it's easy. Oh, what happened? Right, Control C. Yep. Okay. I like to have space here. Okay, now I need. Let's replace this logic query with the. Okay, no, not that one. This one. All right. Interesting. Okay. All right. I really like to have format everything before I do anything. Otherwise, it will be a mess. Unfortunately, the VS Code formatter doesn't format the GraphQL. At least I haven't used any extension. I mean, a plugin, so I have to use it. Okay. Thing kind of slug here. I think we could use some kind of parameters in this with GraphQL, maybe variables kind of thing. I think, but I haven't used that in a while. So this is the approach I do. Maybe this is prone to some kind of maybe some like security problem. Maybe we can like something like in the SQL days we can alter queries and do some crazy stuff. I haven't seen any news on some people doing something like that, but it's totally possible. So maybe, yeah, interesting. I think we should avoid that. Maybe we should like sanitize the slug when in a real application. All right. Okay, and I have the post. Got it. All right, and I think I need to put this get date in the GraphCMS, so because that's where it is coming from. It's not ASIC. I need to export it, so it's related to GraphCMS. So then I should put it there rather than in the index, so I can reuse in other places. Then I can get it from here. Okay, I think it should work. So let's give it a try whether it's working or not. It should work. Yeah, not this one. Right, let's open this in another tab. Okay, it's working. All right, now let's go back to my editor, and I think I cannot copy the same thing because it's from here. Let's, instead of this one, let's get the GraphCMS. Yep, get post and get created at. Okay, interesting, nice. Right, get post list, and what we are using get static paths in Next.js. So basically get all the post list, right? And we are using fallback, so we can have dynamic pages as well. Right, everything looks good here. And then go to a static props. Okay, I think we don't need preview data right now, so that's something we should do it later on. So I got the post. All right, and I got the post and I got the preview data, so which I don't want right now. All right, params, I need the slug. Okay, nice. Then what I want, I think that's all I need from here. So let's go back to the post. For the comments, I think I don't need it right now, so I can do it later on. I think I don't need to comment it here, but let's keep it like this. Okay. Interesting. So I need to get the created ad. Get created ad. Post. All right. Now it should work. Let's give it a try. Okay. Right. Okay. Nice. It's working. All right. Now that's interesting. Okay, yeah, right. Now let's try to add a new blog post and see whether I can add some content, maybe some image or so. Right, go back to the editor and schema. Okay, here, not the schema, but I need the content. Should be the post. Maybe one thing as a feedback, if someone from GraphCMS here, like when I clicking here, it's pretty not it's not clear whether which schema I'm looking at. So maybe you could I can see the title here, author, but it would be nice. It has a very something with the bold letters, so I can clearly see which schema I'm looking at. All right, let's create a new one. Hello world, slug. Hello world. I think date is automatic. Summary, I think I don't need it right now. Tags not need. Right, this is my content. This is my hello world content. Nice. All right, and then let's try that image. I think I don't know how this works or not. Working or not. Upload. Let's see if I have something. Maybe web search. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, GraphQL. So let's try to search image GraphQL. Interesting. All right. Okay. I don't know. Let's use this. Okay. Right, and upload. Processing. All right. Yeah, I think okay. That's nice. So let's yeah, save and publish. Nice. So then I can come my blog post. Yeah, I have the one. So I need to sort by the time. All right, it's working pretty nice. Okay, right, let's try to sort this post list from the created ad. So let's come back here in the post list. Where should I do it? I think is there a sort? I'm quite not sure. Maybe I don't think there's a sorting option in GraphCMS sort. Let's give it a try. Sort. Yeah, we have. Okay, how can I do that? Okay. Okay, it's something different. Yeah, I cannot see. Yeah, I think I have to do it. Maybe let's give it a try. This should be there. Sort. Right. Filter sort. Ordering. I think it's ordering. Okay. GraphCMS ordering. Okay. Okay. It should be a post order by. Oh, okay. Thanks. I'll try to use it. Right. Okay. Let's do it. I think we should do that rather than sorting in the client side. Let's try to use it from the API Explorer first. Go to, where is it? It's here. Posts. Right now, title, and let's get the title first. All right, it's working, and I should use. Oh, okay. Whatever I should be. Interesting. Created. Yeah, this one. Oh, nice. Thanks. Let's grab this. Go to my post list. Okay, here. All right, I think now we are good. Go to the home page. now it's working. Thanks. It's working. All right, now we have, okay, nice. Now I need to add comments. I don't know how to like enable mutations, but I'm trying to do it with the server side API. So I don't need to make it like it's fine to do mutations. I think I need to add some settings here, I guess. Go to API access. Right, mutations. Right, this is what I need. But I don't know, like mutations are available to the public as well. So that's something I need to think about. So permanent auth token. Authentication token are used for creating API access permissions every public error. All right. Oh, okay. This is what I want. So it should be something like my edit API, edit tokens. All right. I don't need to query anything, just the mutations. Oh. Okay. Definitely. I need to edit. All right. If drops queries are allowed. Okay. Great. Nice. Right, edit token. I think this is the token I need. Accessing token. How can I get the value for the token? I think this is something else. Because I'm trying to like add comments here. Okay, so basically this is the token, right? So he just okay. So in the comment, all right, interesting. Oh, paste it somewhere. Oh, okay. Interesting. So this is something you should improve, like from the UI, because I don't know, like okay. Thanks. All right. So yeah, API comments. This is where I forgot to mention. So basically the comments section. So let's give it a try how I'm doing right now. So I can show you. Here we have comments. Right now it's comments, adding comments to the GitHub as a file. So as a JSON file, so we can add comments. Let's add something, hello world. So then it still should work. Right, then what's happening here is we have API directory, and here we have comments. Here we actually do the authentication stuff, and then we create a comment and where we put it to the GitHub. So we need to like have this functionality, so where we can add comments. So let's think about this is our data structure. Let's create a new schema. I think I don't have much time right now. I think it's almost 45 minutes. Let's try to give it a try. Then we can try this in another day to add some comments. But let's give it a try. Okay, let's go to GraphCMS, and I think I need to model a new schema. All right, new model. Let's give it as comments. All right, this is it. Okay, I think I should put not the plural, the singular word. Okay, a plural API. Oh, what's that? Oh, okay, comments. Interesting. Okay. All right, I'm creating it. All right, let's add some fields. Single line text. So this is how I model. What are the things I have in the comment? ID. I think ID is ID own ID name. Okay, own ID name. Own ID name, avatar, content creator. Okay. Own ID. All right. Then do we have duplicate? No. Right. What are the things? On ID name, avatar. Name. Okay, avatar. I think I need to add some slug as well, so I can query it. It's just like like reference key, something like that. Then with content and creator. I think creator is automatic. I think let's think about that. Content, and let's see how the ID and creator is creating in the other schemas. We have date. Okay, it's interesting. Date. Yeah, I think it's automatic if we have date. Yeah, that's interesting. All right, what we have. Oh, okay, created the system field. All right, so yeah, this is a question like avatar is like a assist field. Yeah, I understand. Like so, but the reason I'm doing is that right now I have a authentication system with GitHub. So I get the I'm using Next.js, so I'm getting the avatar from there. So yeah, I think it's just a URL. Yes, I think it's not Gravita, but I don't know, but I think it's from GitHub URL. Yeah. Okay. But I'll try to use like how it's see. But right now I think as a string is fine. Okay. Thanks. Right. All right. Comment is there. So let's try to add some comments and query how it works. At least I can get some. What happened after 45 minutes? So I think I have another 10 minutes because it's pretty late for me right now. So I think we can continue in some other day if you're interested in anyway how to do it. So yeah, maybe not tomorrow. Let's give it a try. Yeah, sure. Comments. Interesting. We have this one. Let's add some content. Okay, should be here. Create new. Own ID. I don't know what the own ID. That's interesting. Let's go to the GitHub and figure it out what's the own IDs. Oh, okay. No, there's no other than any other limit. So maybe I'll try to like stay a little bit longer. So to maybe add the comment support. Yeah. Right. So I don't know. This is really terrible. Should be bulletproof next app data. All right. Go to some comments. So this is how I'm storing comments earlier. It's just a JSON file in a GitHub repository. Yeah, own ID, something like that. Let's copy that. And in the new, where it is. Okay. Name is Arunada and avatar is a URL. Let's grab it from here. So before we do that, the real thing. Okay. Right. Slug. Okay. Slug is the reference. Right. It's where it is. All right. I'm doing something interesting. I'm not interesting. So I'm putting the slug here. So I can copy maybe the new one. Yeah, this is not what I need. A new slug should be this one. Should just the hello world. That's the slug. Let's grab that one and comment. This is a comment from GraphCMS. Amazing. Save and publish. All right. So let's give it a try to query. All right. Should be comments. Content. All right. Nice. I think I need to query by. This is something I need to check about. Comment slug. I don't know whether it's working or not. All right, it's working. Pretty nice. Amazing. Slug. Oh wow, we have pretty much really good query operations. Yeah, I'm lucky. I like it. yeah, it's really interesting. Yeah, it's really nice. Right. All right. So yeah, I think yeah, even though it's really work with Next.js, I think it should work with nice with any other framework as well. Like just querying some API. So yeah, I think Next.js is something I really like to use, and yeah, I'm using that. But I think some other people would like to use Gatsby or something other than that. Yeah, interesting. Okay, yeah, let's get comments as well. Just maybe render that. Yeah, yeah, I think next. I mean, yeah, the KMAT vessel is really making some content. Yeah, maybe writing with GraphCMS, do more content. Maybe some stuff on the community. And on the same thing is GraphCMS guys are really helpful. So for my course, and they were really helpful on give me feedback, and maybe try to communicate with them. And yeah, thanks guys. All right, get back to my app. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. Get comments. I think I need to do it here on the GraphCMS. Do it quickly. Just copy this one. Get comments. All right, let's copy the query. I think I don't need the, yeah, this is so pretty bad. All right. All right. Okay, something like that. And yeah, I need the slug here. I want to ask a question about anyone knows like is there any like GraphQL SQL injection kind of thing? No, not SQL, but GraphQL injection kind of thing. I think the way I'm using it right now, it's surely someone could do some really bad things. Since just a string, you can manipulate it. I can see. So I should start using variables so we can get rid of this issue. But anyway, it's a good attack vector if someone wants to like not hack, like just to, yeah. Okay, yeah, not with GraphCMS. I mean, like, yeah, the reason I'm using this comment, but I think whether you use GraphCMS or not, like, it's totally possible to do inject something and query something other than this. Maybe I should try to get it right. All right. Right, comments. So let's try to grab comments and render it. Let's go to my this is my post. So I think I'm fetching comments with SWR, so I need to go there. This is the comments. This is the comment component, and I'm using a hook called use comments. And here I'm using this API comments and get it done. So basically, I don't need to change anything here since I'm doing it inside the API. So I can go to the API directory and replace the fetch comment logic, and that's all I need to do. Yeah, here get comments. I need to use the get comments from the GraphCMS, and I think it should work without doing anything. All right, let's duplicate one, GraphCMS, and let's get rid of the GitHub one. Let's keep the GitHub add comment thing, which is not functioning right now. All right, get comments is there. Okay, comments are there. I think it should work. Let's give it a try. All right, this one. Okay, show comments. All right, I think it should work because I haven't fetched a lot of content, just the title. I think that's a mistake I did. Let's get more stuff, like what we have. Like let's get everything from the API Explorer content. What we have, like I need to clear that. So it's like a system variable, which is nice. I don't need to put it. And I need the avatar. I need the name, the content. This is all I need. Oh, what? All right. This is really nice. Even though I come back again, I have the query. It's a really nice touch. Oh yeah, command. Yeah, command space. Oh, should be command space. Maybe it's not working with my machine. Maybe it should be control space. Anyway, I know it's really weird. With maybe I put some different keystroke, maybe configured. Anyway, it's I can get it from here. It's working. It's totally fine. Right, can copy these things. Come back here. All right, and then I think I need to do little bit iteration here to like I think I need to do it here because comments. No, maybe where should I do it? Where should I do it? That's the decision I'm always thinking about. Like this comments thing is coming from. I think let's do it on the. I think basically I should do it in the API. I mean UI. I mean this comments code should give me the actual timestamp, but let's do it in the UI right now. Let's go to the components. It's a component. All right, here use comments, and it should be comments, and I can see yeah for right now. For now, let's uncomment comment, and let's check whether we can see the view. Okay, comments. All right, amazing. This is a comment from GraphCMS, but there's no name. Interesting. Why is that? All right. Okay. The shortcuts is option space. All right. Let's try. No, it's not working. Even maybe I added few options. No. I think option. It doesn't work. Like anyway. Maybe something with my machine. I have some like custom configuration for the keystroke. Maybe that's why it is. All right. Let's go back to the application. Why the name is not showing? Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see why the comments on name is not there. Let's what we can do. We can we can run the console log. So this I want to ask from the people looking at this. So how do you debug stuff? Is it console logs or maybe some other fancy debugging method? Like, all right. Yeah. Okay. All right. So array comments create avatar name. Yeah, name. It's I don't know that, but it's not printing here. Okay, for the pros. Yeah, pros. Yeah, that's interesting. The name is not printing. Console log variable. Yeah, that's nice. And I think there's a like console.table or something. There are pretty interesting ways you can do these things. It's awesome. Yeah, but I haven't tried it. Oh, really? I commented the name. Oh, interesting. No, I just commented that. Yeah. Oh, maybe there's no name in the this. Oh, the name is also in the. Oh, thanks. Thanks for that comment. Yeah, I was looking at it. So let's grab the real date and put it here. Yes, grab import from, let's say, lib GraphCMS, like get create at, and I can put it here. Right, now it should work. And I want to mention something very some like not an attack vector, some mistake I did. So yeah, it's printing. Here I try to do something not I should do. Here we have libgraph.cms, and I'm trying to import the get created at. And if you go to the so the places I use this GraphCMS is basically for the server side, basically in the server side code. For example, I use that in the get static props, and another place in the API. But if you here I'm trying to import that into the client side. But the interesting thing is, if I go to the GraphCMS and I have the API URL as a variable here, so then even though there's like code, I don't know how we can code splitting, or maybe like I don't know the exact word with Webpack, you can extract the function that you use. But even in that case, if you have like a variable like this will go to the client. So then like especially like you should have to like think about, so have a clear separation, like separation with the files you put the client and server side. Then it's a pretty simple way to mistake. And then all your API keys and everything, if you hard code it, maybe not, if you hard code it, they will be sent to the client side. That's something you to look at. Yeah, then in this case, let's give it a try whether we can do that, see that. So let's build the app. Right, so if I can see the API URL in the client side, and that's a problem. I know it's fine in this case, like because with the GraphCMS way, it's just the public one we can query. But if this is like a private way, a private secret URL, then that could be problematic. Right, app is fine. Then let's check for the this secret key. I don't know whether this is secret or not, but I'm trying to grab it. Inspect, not the view source. And then let's open some from these pages. I think it should be in the index. I think we can find it here, not here. I don't know, like we should have some tooling to like check, inspect. I know there are some ways to do that, but still I think we need some really interesting way to like look at secrets. Not this one, not here. All right, I think yeah, I think that's fake news maybe. Anyway, so that's something you should careful about. I couldn't try to reproduce it, or maybe just to show you guys. Right. Okay, now what we can do? I think it's yeah, I was supposed to do about 1 hour. Now we can get post, and I can show some comments, but we don't have the add comment support. So let's give it a try for maybe like 10 minutes, whether we can do it. If not, I'll try to do it some other day. All right. Right. Okay, about mutations. So I think can you do mutations from the, so let's Google it, how to do mutations with GraphCMS. Mutations. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. I think I can log in it. Okay, let's wait. I think yeah. Anyway. Do you want to start again? Oh, right. Block 2. I don't know. Oh, okay. I can go to the Explorer and write the mutation. Okay. Yeah, interesting. Okay, let's comment this one for sure. Let's see. Oh, interesting. Oh, nice. Create comment. Data. How can I pass data? Create comment. Comment data comment. Okay, interesting. Thanks. I think I can do this within few. Yeah. Name. All right. Reference. Yeah. Thanks. I'll try to look at it. If I couldn't do it from the API Explorer. Or how can I get the mouse? Okay, got it. Because I was looking at the chat in the other screen. I couldn't find a way to get it. This question about Next is older than Gatsby or other way around. I don't know. I don't know whether it's old or not, but I think both projects started quite similar because when I was working at Next, Gatsby, there was no company with Gatsby at that time. I think it's after Next.js maybe yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yeah, I think yeah, both are good. Anyway, I haven't used Gatsby, so I cannot give any feedback on that. All right, name. I don't know and avatar HTTP something. All right, then avatar should have something slug. Hello world and on ID, which I have no idea about. Okay, I model this as a text. That's what I think. That's fine. Because I'm not using that really, just a reference. Yeah, what a good. Yeah. All right, and the content is this. All right, this is all I need. All right. Yep. Okay. Mutation API is nice. This is all I need. Amazing. I can use it. So we can have the comments functionality now. All right. Go to GraphCMS and add comment. Yeah, let's copy this. All right. Add comments. Data. All right. Right. And let's paste this. All right. Mutations. Slug. Okay. Format this. Going on. What's going on? Okay, something like this. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know how we can format this. So let's check again. I really like to format this one. Mutation is something like this. Okay. All right. It's okay. We format it like this. Anyway, how can all right here? Just one more time. All right. Okay. Right. All right. Now we're good. So let's get the data from here. So this is not the way we should do it, and anyway I'm doing it. Avatar. So I want to know about, like, if someone from GraphCMS, like, so let's say we query from Slug here. So do we need to add indexes or something? Like, is it automatic? Like, so somehow, like, how that works? All right, data, Slug one ID. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, my question is like, so how about indexes? Not the ID. Like, let's say here I'm trying to, like, query from the Slug. So then I'm adding it. So then how can I? So then how the indexes are working? Is it automatically generated on the server side? So we don't, as an end user, I don't need to worry about that. I think that's how it works. Data.content. Yeah, I need the whole thing. Yeah, okay, that's nice. But I can see, like, when you're storing a lot of data, and it's really nice to have some automatic. So I used to, like, use Cosmos DB from SQL, not SQL, Microsoft. They have something similar. Pretty nice. Okay, but now I think we're good. All right, add comment functionalities, it's working. Let's go back to my API and check add comment. I can remove this from the GitHub one. I don't need it right now. All right, then what I can do? Okay, add comment. Okay, comments. In this case, okay, I'm trying to get everything. All right, that's how I do in the previous way. Yeah. So let's try to add comment. Right, then I can grab the latest version again and send it back to the client. So I might need to, like, do some changes maybe in the final version. This is not the optimal way to do that. Yeah, I'll try to change the UI code as well to not to invoke another API call. Right. Yeah, I think it should work. Let's give it a try. Oh, there's some problem. Add comment. I think, is it fixed? GraphCMS, add comment. The problem here. Not sure. Like, let's try it again. Oh, data already has been declared. Okay, I can see. Right, let's see. Yeah, of course. Output. Okay. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that's not the way how to do that. Anyway. All right. Let's give it a try. Add some comment. It should work. Right. There is a comment. Yeah, late night mistakes. I think I should try to do it in a much earlier time. Oh, nice. Somehow it missed the previous comment. What's happening? All right, this is a comment from GraphCMS. Another comment, please. Okay. All right. Going on. All right, I think something is going on. Maybe. Yeah, I don't think it's something from GraphCMS, but let's go back to the GraphCMS and we'll check whether how the data looks like. Comments. I think it's here, content. Comments. Okay. So I think I need to put some ID maybe. That's why it's interesting. On ID slug. Okay, you think mutation didn't work? Yeah, but yeah, of course, because I'm looking at here, I can see the content updated. Like, you can see. Maybe yep, let's give it a try. Or maybe that's something yeah, that's a good question. So maybe there's an error. So that's a really good one, because I was not doing any logging. Oh, I need to publish the comment. Okay, that's interesting. Before that, let's give it a try. Oh, interesting. They went. Okay. let's grab all these things. Errors, I guess. Let's console log everything. Yeah. I should check the error logs. So let's okay. So it's coming. It's coming from the yep here. Yeah. All right, then let's. I think I need to put the query as well, because otherwise I couldn't reference which one is this, and maybe put another 222 something like this. Okay, let's add a comment. Try to add a comment. Show comments. Yeah, it was this is a comment from GraphCMS, and it didn't went through. It's true. This is from the client. All right, and then I can check the logs. I think it went through. The problem is, I think it's in the drop mode, I guess. Yeah, I think then I have to approve that the comment to maybe. Yeah, let's check the UI. I think maybe that's a good functionality. Okay. So let's reload it. No, it seems like. All right. Yeah. Anyway, I think I can see here a draft, but I only have one comment right now. Yeah, that's the one I posted using the using the API, I guess. Maybe I can publish this one. I think then it would appear on this view. Yeah, it's coming here. I don't think so. Like, the comment is appearing on this. Yeah, maybe I think there's a problem with the mutation query. I think I need to. No, I think. Yeah, it is, but I think this is a comment adding in the API side. But I of course I can check. Let's do it another round. Okay, let's okay. Oh, interesting. I cannot see the mutation is happening. Okay, that's why it is. Okay, that's interesting. Because there was no any mutation query here. Just the queries. Okay. So let's give it a try. Another try. And see what's. And let's check the inspect as well. Network tab. And I'm gonna query. And okay, I'm gonna put a number. Yeah, that's DDD is something I created from the API Explorer. All right. Commands, I think it is giving me 200 from here. Totally fine. It worked. But let's check the API from the server side. So this is the one I get comments, which is totally fine. Can I do that? Like, should be good. Anyway, okay, create comment null. Okay, that's not coming here. So there's something. Yeah, yeah, GraphQL error also written to 200. Yeah, I know. There's an errors object. What I'm probably like trying to like do like. Okay, now I can do that. Like there was something issue with the scrolling in my. Okay. Right, then let's add a new one. Sorry for the mistake, but right. Then let's go back to the API. All right, mutation is there, and it didn't add anything. Yeah, that's the issue. And but then there's no issue. There's no error. Oh, I can see. This everything is undefined. So you see. All right, this is the problem, I guess, because I'm creating it under the slug colon undefined. So that's something I should check. Right. So data and name. So how can I how I'm sending comments here? Add comments. Oh, it's a slug here and then the comments. That's the problem. Yeah. Yeah. It's something I did in the code. Like that's me. All right. Then I'm gonna add slug here. Well, that's on me. All right. Now it should work. Right. Let's give it a try. Now it should work. Definitely should work. Okay. Testing. Even at this time it didn't come true because of it's a draft thing. Oh, interesting. All right, nice. It was added fine, I guess, this time. All right, and then let's check the dashboard. All right, commands should be here. Right, still, yeah, still. All right, yep. Quite not sure what's going on there right now. Interesting. Let's do something like this rather than printing the. Yeah, it didn't send through. Yeah, that's the problem. Maybe I'm not. Maybe it's here. What we can do is maybe there are some other fields here as well. I'm not. I don't know whether there are some other things as well. Let's get this one. Let's print that one instead. To whether. All right. Now let's see how it works. Right. So let's clear the screen. Okay. Right. Let's give it another try. Okay, starting. Okay, it's typos. Okay, and I'm adding it. All right. Now let's check the server side. Yeah. There was no issue at all from the API side of. Maybe I need to use. Oh, I know what's going on. Maybe the reason is I'm using the public API. Yeah, I think that's the problem. I'm using a different. Yeah, that's why it's. Yeah, that could be because I'm using the public API. Yeah, let's see how can I use the private token. I wish I could use in the network tab. The problem is I'm using the server side the fetch query, so I cannot see. Okay, you mean the Explorer? How I'm doing it? That's something I could check about the mutation. All right, here mutation. Let's also inspector. Since it worked here, so let's add a new one. Oh, okay. Yeah. I think it didn't make sense. Like in my case, it's the HTTP calling inside the server side. So I want to see how we can use the token. So that's what I want to like check this. Oh, yeah. That's something I could do. Yeah, to make this simple, I can later on figure out how to use the token. API access, public API. Yeah. Okay. I think this should work. I think if this is working, I think you should try to send a new, I mean, error message or maybe unauthorized. Maybe there's a 401. I didn't check the API request. That's why. Maybe. All right. Now let's. All right. Now it's working because yeah, that's the problem. I think I think there's a 401 HTTP status code. Since I'm not checking that, that's why that's why I didn't catch that. All right, now I have the comment on the dashboard. I guess I think I should be there. All right, comment. Yeah, now it is. Now there are a couple of because this is coming from the API. Let's delete it. Right, yeah, then I can publish it. Nice. So then I can come back here. If I reload the page, I can see comment. Yeah, yeah, it's there. Pretty nice. Thanks. I think ideally, I think I would like to like automatically approve, automatically publish the queries. I think if I don't know if is there any way we can do that, like automatically publish like publish document as we do the mutation. If we have something like that, that could be great. Yeah. Okay. Since I'm doing it in the, I think maybe then there's like API to publish automatically. Is there something like that? Oh, okay. Yeah. Another mutation to log. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I can use a publish mutation. Yeah. That's okay. Let's see. We can do it right now. Oh, I can adjust the drop stage. So that's, yeah, that's something. But in a real world app, I think that doesn't work well, right? Anyway, let's give it a try. All right, let's save this. I think then it should be. Yeah, I think this is what I did. I think this is what you do. Okay, cool. All right, then let's try it again. All right. Okay, this should be a nice comment. Aha, now it's working. Right. Nice. So this is how you do it. I think the mutation should be comment stage drop. All right. Cool. Anyway, I think that's something I had to do later on. Nice. Now we have I think now the task is completed. Like I have a blog app, so I can create content from GraphCMS, and then I can add some comments. Pretty nice. Cool. Thanks guys for helping me to figure it out. I think I really like the how the GraphCMS works, and I think I had some problems in the earlier because like I'm not quite used to like the CMS workflows, but now I think now it's makes sense when I'm using it. Right, then this is it. And I think we have a blog post, and we can add comments, and yep, that's it. Right, then maybe we can do some another session to add some maybe live active support, maybe the preview support, and maybe tweak some other ways, and try to like use GraphQL variables and make it secure. Yeah, then see you next time with something like this. Okay, bye. Thanks everyone again.